Spring, a time for renewal, a time for warmth. The season when nature awakens from its slumber, painting the world in vibrant hues of green and bursts of colorful blossoms. It's a period that brings a sense of hope and rejuvenation, as the days grow longer and the sun's rays become more inviting. A time for new beginnings. The earth seems to come alive, with fresh green shoots emerging from the soil and trees adorned with delicate blossoms. It's a reminder of the endless cycle of life and the promise of growth and renewal. As we shake off the chill of winter, we look forward to longer days and milder temperatures. The parks and gardens fill with people eager to bask in the sun, and the last remnants of snow give way to budding plants. It's a season that invites us to step outside and embrace the beauty of the natural world. But what does spring 2025 have in store for us? With each new season comes a unique set of weather patterns and climatic conditions. This year, the forecast is particularly intriguing, as we anticipate the influence of global weather phenomena. The answer, my friends, lies in the intricate dance of atmospheric patterns and oceanic currents. These forces work together in a complex interplay, shaping the weather we experience on a daily basis. From the gentle breezes to the sudden storms, every element of spring's weather is a result of this dynamic interaction. This year, one particular player will take center stage: La Niña. This climatic phenomenon, characterized by cooler-than-average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean, has far-reaching effects on global weather patterns. La Niña's influence on North America's weather is significant. It can lead to a variety of weather conditions, from increased rainfall in some regions to drier conditions in others. Understanding its impact is key to preparing for the season ahead. It's like a conductor, orchestrating a symphony of weather events across the continent. Just as a maestro guides an orchestra through crescendos and diminuendos, La Niña directs the ebb and flow of weather patterns, creating a harmonious yet unpredictable performance. Understanding La Niña's role is crucial for predicting what spring 2025 will bring. Meteorologists study detailed weather charts and graphs, analyzing data to forecast the potential impacts. This knowledge helps us prepare for the season's challenges and opportunities. So let's delve into the world of weather forecasting and uncover the secrets of the upcoming season. By exploring the science behind the forecasts, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the forces that shape our world, and better anticipate the wonders and surprises that spring 2025 has in store for us. La Niña, Spanish for little girl, is a climate pattern characterized by cooler-than-average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean. This phenomenon is part of a larger climate cycle known as the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO, which alternates between the warm phase El Niño and the cool phase La Niña. The cooling of the ocean surface can have significant impacts on global weather patterns, affecting everything from rainfall to temperature. This seemingly distant phenomenon has a ripple effect across the globe, influencing weather patterns thousands of miles away. The changes in sea surface temperatures can alter atmospheric circulation, leading to shifts in weather systems. For instance, La Niña can enhance the strength of the trade winds, which in turn affects the distribution of heat and moisture around the planet. These changes can lead to a variety of weather extremes, from droughts in some regions to floods in others. For North America, La Niña typically brings cooler and wetter conditions to the northern regions. This means that areas like the Pacific Northwest and the Great Lakes can expect more rainfall and cooler temperatures than usual. These conditions can lead to an increase in snowfall during the winter months, which can be beneficial for water resources, but also challenging for transportation and infrastructure. Meanwhile, the southern tier of the United States experiences warmer and drier weather. States like Texas, Florida, and Southern California may see reduced rainfall, which can exacerbate drought conditions and increase the risk of wildfires. The warmer temperatures can also impact agriculture, leading to stress on crops and livestock. This year, we expect La Niña's influence to be particularly pronounced, leading to some interesting regional variations in the spring forecast. Meteorologists are closely monitoring these patterns to provide accurate predictions and help communities prepare for the potential impacts. From increased rainfall in the north to heightened drought risks in the south, understanding La Niña's effects is crucial for planning and resilience. As we continue to study this complex climate phenomenon, we gain valuable insights into how interconnected our planet's weather systems truly are. The temperature outlook for spring 2025 reveals a stark contrast across North America. Imagine a line drawn down the middle of the continent, dividing it into two distinct temperature zones. To the west, warmer than normal temperatures are expected, stretching from the southwestern United States up into Canada. Conversely, the eastern half of the continent, from the northern plains to the northeast, is predicted to experience cooler than average temperatures. This temperature divide will be a defining feature of spring 2025. Precipitation patterns are also expected to vary widely across North America this spring. The Pacific Northwest, known for its lush greenery, is forecast to receive above-average rainfall, potentially leading to a wetter-than-usual spring season. In contrast, the Southwest and Central Plains are bracing for drier conditions. This could exacerbate existing drought concerns in these regions, impacting agriculture and water resources. The upper Midwest and eastern U.S. may see increased snowfall, particularly in early spring. Let's zoom in on specific regions to get a clearer picture of what to expect this spring. The Northwest, from Washington to Montana, can anticipate a cool and potentially wet spring. The South and Southeast, on the other hand, are likely to experience normal to above normal temperatures with near-average precipitation. The Northeast will find itself caught between these two extremes, with cooler-than-average temperatures due to the influence of cold air masses from the Northwest. Section 6. Northern United States and Canada. Bracing for a cool spring. For those in the northern United States and Canada, spring 2025 might feel a bit more like an extended winter. Cooler than normal temperatures are expected, with the potential for late-season snowfalls. This is due to La Niña's influence, which tends to lock in colder air masses over these regions. While spring will eventually arrive, it might be a slow and gradual transition, with temperatures warming up later than usual. Section 7. Western United States warmth and drought concerns. The western United States will experience a different kind of spring. Warmer than normal temperatures are forecast, particularly in the southwest. While this might sound appealing after a long winter, it comes with its own set of challenges. The combination of warmer temperatures and below-average precipitation raises concerns about drought intensification. Water resources are already strained in many parts of the West, and a drier-than-usual spring could exacerbate the situation. Section 8. Eastern United States, a tale of two springs. The eastern United States will experience a tale of two springs in 2025. The southeast will enjoy normal to above normal temperatures, with near-average precipitation. However, the northeast will face a cooler and potentially wetter spring. This north-south divide in weather patterns is typical of La Niña years. The northeast will be influenced by cold air masses from the north, while the southeast benefits from warmer air flowing up from the Gulf of Mexico. Section 9. A reminder: stay informed. As we eagerly await the arrival of spring, it's important to remember that weather predictions are just that, predictions. Spring is a season of transformation where nature awakens from its winter slumber and the weather can be quite unpredictable. One day you might experience a warm, sunny afternoon, and the next, a sudden downpour or even a late frost. This variability is what makes spring so unique and exciting, but it also means we need to be vigilant and prepared for any weather changes. While we use the best available data and models, weather patterns can shift and change. Meteorologists work tirelessly, analyzing vast amounts of data from satellites, weather stations, and computer models to provide the most accurate forecasts possible. However, the atmosphere is a complex and dynamic system, and even the most advanced technology can't predict every nuance. This is why it's essential to stay informed and flexible with your plans. Therefore, it's crucial to stay updated with local weather reports and adjust your plans accordingly. Make it a habit to check the weather forecast daily, whether through your smartphone, TV, radio, or online sources. Local weather reports are tailored to your specific area and can provide timely updates on any sudden changes or severe weather alerts. By staying informed, you can make better decisions about your outdoor activities, travel plans, and even what to wear. Whether it's a cool and wet spring in the Northwest or a warm and dry season in the Southwest, being prepared is key to enjoying all that spring has to offer. Each region has its own unique weather patterns and challenges, but with a little preparation, you can make the most of this beautiful season. Pack an umbrella or a light jacket if you're in a region prone to spring showers, or wear sunscreen and stay hydrated if you're in a warmer area. Embrace the diversity of spring weather and let it enhance your experiences, from blooming flowers to outdoor adventures. Stay informed, stay prepared, and enjoy the wonders of spring.